Attack, slaughter, rampage. Do these words truly describe what happened that Christmas Day at the San Francisco Zoo? Carlos Sousa's attorneys would have you believe that Tatiana the tiger was a monster. But did you know that Tatiana raised 3 cubs on her own? Carlos Sousa had no children, and was probably taunting Tatiana.
Hey, Tony! Tony the tiger! How's captivity, huh? I bet it's great!
Tatiana was a creature of natural majesty, the inspiration for the Blake poem Tiger. Carlos Sousa was drunk.
You get it? You tiger piece of shit! How's it feel to be a shit lion, huh? Pussy, cat, fuck you!
Tatiana earned her bachelor's degree in criminology without a computer and despite speaking no human language. Carlos Sousa spoke 2 human languages, but held no such degree.
How's it feel to not use tools, huh? Oh, look what I'm doing. Oh, you like that? I want to fight you.
Tatiana has proven she can leap 12 feet. Carlos, barely 3. Who should we really be mourning? And who's really a monster? Let's ask this mandrill. Carlos Sousa is a monster. His words, not ours. Paid for by the San Francisco Zoo's crisis management team.